everyone, this is Nathan Petrie with IAC's Tip of the Month. Proper machine safety guarding is critical in today's manufacturing environment. With modern advancements in automation, the majority of process equipment entering the market today is not designed for human interaction on a daily basis outside of general maintenance. One consequence of this dynamic is that there's potential for equipment to not be properly guarded to protect operators from moving components that have the ability to cause severe injury. Improper machine guarding is one of the top 10 most common OSHA violations and results in over 18,000 severe injuries and over 800 fatalities in the US alone. This rate has been increasing as automation has taken over in every industry. Improper guarding, combined with other factors such as tool-free maintenance access and non-compliance with lockout-tagout procedures during maintenance, create an environment with a very real chance for severe injury or death. For machine guarding, a good rule of thumb is if you can touch the rotating components of the equipment with a number 2 pencil, there is a chance the guard might be insufficient for OSHA standards. For a more thorough inspection method, a guard opening scale is the right tool for the job. If the guard is designed for tool-free removal, it is critical to have a secondary electrical safety device. Proximity switches are preferred over physically actuated limit switches, as limit switches are easy to trick while the guard is still open, which is a safety concern. If you have equipment that is improperly guarded, IAC is here to help. Our OSHA Guarding retrofit program is unique to the industry, as we will design and supply OSHA Guarding for your equipment if it is unsafe or non-compliant. Whether the equipment used to have a guard or got thrown out, or the equipment was never designed for proper guarding, we will work with you to custom design and supply a retrofit safety guard package that is compliant with all regulations and easy to install. If you have safety guarding needs, give us a call. We'd be happy to talk to you about your situation and develop a game plan that keeps your employees safe. Safety is always first, and IAC is here to help you make that a reality. Thank you and have a great day.